Na obada be.
Oh, and then 3 days here on bio.
Oh, sir.
Patchoy.
Oh, nice. What you want to see pa o?
Me da se da.
Na enya bia wa ware.
Dan patcho there bi.
Oh, nice. Fe. Yakura ase hey. Emma etu kwan kokro kesiem bebre beba ne bia anyam omunya kunu. Bebre beba no aprabo ase. Ba o hwe so ye.
Me da.
Ahofe na ye mo.
Me da se da.
Why are they so see?
And patcho Angie where?
Yeah, ba Angie.
Patcho.
Angie dear. Wan sami. First Angie, enua wa kwantum de 6,000 Ghana choppable CDs. Abba. See amfa Angie ntu adwuma. Na Angie ama akwa bi afa na virus. Wa ba beji sika ndi adwane ko. Ente se da Angie de nani nka fie o.
Hey,
nani nka fie.
Angie ba yesa.
Wa ma virus free tema aba beji se sika na free ni nsem si. Ama yesi no ntimi mma me nchen. Ensem bebre.
Enti Angie ntumi ensu edwuma no.
Oh.
Enti se ho na wo de no e.
O minim. Oh, ne so a o minu aba ho no. Minim ba de o ye ho. Nani nka fie. So obeba meka nanim di no. O tupia fa agyan.
Wo de wa kamati. Se mi ami hia na metu no fu ne be kasa.
Ana ye to no fu.
Hey,
to no fu. O betima ba fie menya ne hwe. Why? Ba wa ye kama.
Me da se.
Chiri be din komo bi.
Sao.
Ai komo bi ho ye be.
Eja no.
We nyina che.
Me da se.
O ho ye fe pa.
Me da se. Ene, you do cool.
Woni how.
Virus. And say me no ho so no otwi madam fo no. Me nyo. Hey. Okay, Russia.
Already talking about the dude. Must be doing things your favorite rappers be wishing it could. And no swagger right from a say for myself, would that be my hood? Yeah, I know. Even the Bible talks about my hood. But since you're on Casafunyame, one can't tell me the hardest city we are killing Kuto Crow Benani. And I'm the king. I am like lion in Zion, the rap daddy. The one these childish rappers rely on. I spit bloody, cause MCs keep biting me. My net caught the eyes of everybody, all eyes on me. They don't mess with me, cause the nigga stands a big below. You test me and from where I stand, you go 6 feet below. I'm a lightning in the game, but me no Illuminati. They get proud and post of me, I'm the game still your body.
Hey baby. What's up?
Cool. What are you doing? Who are you? Who are you?
Hello, look at Cesar. I'm a pagan.
As I owe many.
Oh, really?
Thank you. But you got to team in New Kunim. Oh, no.
That is saying.
I'm not one answer.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I read a man of Castle of a tram. Nah. But I can make a question of a yammy one. Hotel Honomono. And said a castle of Francois. By that time, I was eating come of France. The woman also to me by a day. Eating come on. Then I said, me de ko na nka okwakohwe ho no
oh matia se o ba like dem pisen ke be ko fie mum like
e be ko fie
hotel there say
na mi sure no no ni akwohwe me ho no nansa at the right time akwohwe ho why
eh the way I insisted I hope say ungita adwin fi bi ma mi o kono say there
we say ya da ya be ware ndi wa de no kra e be fono me they now worry ya
be say worry of course into me try o the car na shemu a o and e wo dia anti 24/7
America wa shemu am de ade no so wa shemu
oh onye
and na shemu to shemu
they into there me
don't worry mama go throw see mama promise you me obi a I don't force this on women.
Okay.
Business moko be and home more forcing in now.
I no stress on this business moko.
Because I'm a business moko. At the age of 18 years, I started business at a very tender age.
Really?
And when it comes to business, I don't joke with business. Then I tell me I'm a business moko.
So you have billions in your bank account. Is all you're telling me?
I'm not here to brag to you. We be my council trying to help you trash it.
Hey.
No, I'm dealing in gold. I'm a musician to go bought shoes or outside. Now evoke we like evoke.
Ready talking about a dude, was me doing things your favorite rappers be wishing it could. And no swagger right from a from myself, would that be my hood? Yeah, I know, even the Bible talks about my hood. But since you can't safunyame, one can't tell me the hardest city we are killing to crowd and I'm the king. I am like lion in Zion, the rap daddy, the one these childish rappers rely on. I spit bloody, cause MCs keep biting me. My net caught the eyes of everybody, all eyes on me. They don't mess with me, cause the nigga stands a big below. You test me and from where I stand, you go 6 feet below. I'm a lightning in the game, but me no Illuminati. They get proud and boast of me, I'm the game's no Bugatti. They gotta put the game back to his feet when it was critical. It's of the game and your favorite rapper stands my disciple.
What's not coming issues? Umukraba, you at least very relaxing.
Me okay.
You buy a set more than even an hour. But what's not going issues?
Me okay, crampon, person, me cool. Think for them,
Oh, what say? I thought, say, we catch you saying, spend the night. Now it's not a papa.
I thought, say, what's the member who maybe I would say. Maybe who had there.
But you be drew your night, DV, and a catcher was in their own cool, and I now can see with their ground.
I said, Meko. To miss up pet day in my baby.
To I would jam house. But that bed 30 minutes.
Oh, TV. Say, a by a bone come outside. Maybe I say, bro, 1 hour.
Meaning, you won't Nakaka.
Tell me, oh, must have a view. Next week.
I can see you at least over the dimension.
The next time back.
A penasem. We said Antiasiana. We said Anti a penasiana.
Oh, but I said, so be there, you take your time until being first step at the time. Until my being will be able to take until me next time. My back.
Say, me forcing him also, but if you still insist on it, okay. Not to work a cray, so pen to get the
eh, no, be as if you
say, the devil said, I have a basunti.
Akwarawi na make na sem so humia no ya me rough no ya me rough no odi matem se me azan ni papa we oni we ya metima wo no so miensa nan ni num no wona gira ho no
wona hu papa so ya na wodi no rough no anya wo a why wonim support to you wam ye twa ade ni to fa ayi wa mra ne twa ade ni ntom aboa wo ya fo amfiri ngura mu ho no ma banka abawi ngura wonim mu wa na didi bom aboa ne ba who said ye pian wo who saw na didi papa we atem wo se what say we anka ape what who said you san kote ya de he otiri wa didi a wo di nkwase asem sa ma nanya e de twato ma nanya o laze what
oba ya bia odi gina ho
what who so obi na mo ho na mo didi na tem
atna bi
aboa what
musa aposo kutansa
oh fun kwabusina mona toni kro kwabusa o da kata mi sa mi meni mtai wa wo so ani msa buta wo dware
na jira ho ko jira ho
wo anya wa ankwala akaba
jira ho
ba wo so
Dede me hu bia mpa bo ya ha na be so wa kuti bra
me ani bra enka papa na be kan papa na be kan no
aboa
oh asia bi ba wo ba to bo
Babe, Kasa, feel free and talk to me, okay? My catcher say we here, baby. Feel free, talk to me. I'm your husband. Nyan fuck, I want to show, but I see you as a wife. To be here, feel free and talk to your husband, okay?
Okay, we are Mr. Kano. Okay, so me rent house and me feel like or my pressure. So we sick be a question be I mean think of saying she's over to
I say
15,000.
15,000 Ghana cedis. Oh, and I said if you're not in the cry, come. I have to move you to a big chair base at 30,000, 15,000 Ghana cedis. And I'm a business mogul to say my girlfriend at you. B, I will move you from there, okay? Somebody is even calling. Let me take this call. Hello? Yeah, Angel. Let's say. You don't mean it. You don't mean it, bro. If I do that, way, range na be do. So when I evoke na be there. Be ma chucha pictures for WhatsApp why? Chucha no pictures for WhatsApp ni sisi e. Onim se ni pa na me je caravan ko jina me chen sisi e. Yeah. Na ka mento mo ba na ka mento ma. O de ho esiro. Sa kwa de enye ska anye tracing no toka ma no. Na me so menya na me to bia me girl say. Na bra me de mo ba. Anje me de man for so be me nya wo so. What's he doing to me? Oh, but bro, that's too much. That's too much. As soon as I come, VAT that is a 1.2 billion, which is 120,000 Ghana cedis. The other range in the born was stress. Oh, me VAT my see don't get and see. Eba all my menya Kobe, my menya Kobe, has a menya scabina in that was away. B, your car is in.
Really?
Angel just called me. Sako your manager.
Oh my god. I love you. I love you.
That's what me. But I can't scan the beginning. Bisaki that me kebi my main friend and I mean the
Oh. Friend.
Hello. Yeah, Bogu. Bogu what say? Ada wadana.
I'm over. Why you come be at say? Many boss are begin actually say them who are not my dream crack.
Hey, ja. But I say,
not only maybe.
Pacho there be.
Unya ho ka fo idi. Na ofri krom kasi say kro kasi mo be ya ho afi. Asa kam nu tu ana mo kakra.
Anamo.
De obedie, de obenum, de obehye person fato me ho so.
Really?
Yeah.
And you where to go?
Every say, "Oh, akono. We your baby a. O wa chinyam wan munyam. Se be bo ho ka enha me kra."
And the young one for moment in one day. Why I dear.
Wa bo.
But I say, "Yeah, okay."
Onim me doctor aka kire me se bonu nsia bi aka me num nufo. Na aye se we ye babuni.
Hey.
A money house a. Nufo dey say, "Be mantwa."
And then no credit.
Me the two menu ma me twen 1 2 3 ya na nka aye bibia ho. Money how cry.
Hey.
O ka nyina me fa. Ai.
Nanji papa sanati.
Oh, when ka o.
Papa.
Say asama eye no kro na ye ba ko enye mienu.
Wow.
E jo ko Bible mathematics 1 + 1 aye 1. Baba nu bra numbers a na 1 + 1 aye 2. And pa kan no asom 1 2. No clean ho.
Hey, that let me so be.
That is say.
I'm here to move. Pacho so.
Okay. You don't want me to try and throw kakra.
And
Who can so ba wasi ho?
That fetch me.
Onu aduane kra so ene wo hye wachi. Afi de hobuada wa ama.
Na for you, me chi me na for so am re fetch me. Dey say
What's your papa?
Me ba jo ai.
Me kofi.
Me na me ne ba wo.
Me kofi.
Ene mama ne won kona me chi ane. Ene ja, pacho be say share why. Da pacho.
Nsem fun. Oh, but atwi me be bedi. I just 6,000 Ghana choppable cedis. Menyo kodon ko bia me wese no na kam na akekere me wura na mura fi awreho na. Wasa betwe na fam. Akwa we say me marking wo me black book na me ni di ne nyonyo. So who the color of my inside.